We know that you have two wonderful children at Cluey. I also understand that we supplement homeschooling for them. So I was hoping you could talk a little bit about that process and your decision to educate them at home and why you chose Cluey.
This year, because of the friction that the type of literacy component causes within our family, I decided to look outside the box and try and find something where they could be taught as opposed to being tutored. I looked at local tutors and I looked online, and that's where Cluey came along. And from our perspective, I want you to take over their literacy component of the curriculum. And that's basically what Cluey do for us. They spend 45 minutes and they cover the entire work that most kids do in a couple of weeks at school, because it's so condensed and so, concentrated.
What were some of the difficulties that you encountered with trying to teach your own children at home?
Give them some direction. So now I don't have to argue with them. That's Carolyn's job. But of course, they don't argue with Carolyn because she's not their mum.
In terms of their engagement during a tutoring session, do you feel like they had to learn how to, work with an online tutor, or did that happen organically?
That was organic. These kids are brought up in a world of technology. This is everyday life. They talk to family through Skype.
In terms of the feedback process and your ability to track their progress over time, have there been any issues with that?
Super easy, because after each session, Carolyn sends through her report, which lists their homework for the week. And then on top of that, I requested the recorded link for their session. It enables them to go back when they need to do their homework to remember what Carolyn had said to them. They can watch it and go, oh, yeah, that's right. That's what I meant to do.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
That's okay.